Yo, 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 I'm out at Fenner today, checking out nature, getting a little bit of that fall walk in, and I thought I'd just share what I was doing today. It's so nice. Saw the cattails. Starting to do their thing. It's pretty exciting. I love this little zen spot. There's Mountain Hope. Hello. Mountain Hope. And I just thought maybe somebody might enjoy a little walk in nature with me today. Because I like to be out here by myself. You know, sometimes it would be nice to have somebody to walk with. But at the same time, it is nice to be by yourself. So, I guess you just gotta come both days of the weekend and get that taken care of. It sure is beautiful out here today, though. Look at that tree. A beautiful red tree, and it's so gorgeous. Not gonna take a long walk with you today, because I'm gonna be out here by myself. But I thought I'd just hang out here at maybe, let's see, we got Wetland Trail this way and Oak Ridge Trail that way. Cute little bench. Come on. There we go. I like wetlands. Wetland Trail. That's some cool wood. So there's a plywood mansion here, like no joke. It's made out of pallets. It's not plywood mansion, but it's pallet mansion. And I said, dang. Why aren't the homeless people hanging out here? And then I realized, oh yeah, they kick them out. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, this tree looks like it just bloomed. It's so bright. What? I feel like I'm in spring, and then it's like fall. Fall. Spring! I'm in multiple seasons. It is quite nice out here. Ooh, are we hitting up some more wetlands? Oh snap, I think it's actually wet through here. And at that point, that's where I stopped. Because I didn't wear my clod hopping waterproof shoes. Not today. But I just wanted to give everybody like a quick little nature tour, maybe. Nature on this beautiful Saturday. That cool. Hope y'all having a blessed day.